Greetings, everyone, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank with the Baron Smakerel.
Oh, yeah.
We are in the robot factory. We just need to wait for these guys to goose step into their little house, and we're gonna waltz in and fuck their day up. You can go straight to hell. Also, they're like building bigger robots in here. Unfortunately, none of them are Megas XLR.
Yeah.
But on the bright side, we have Devastator ammo. Woo! Get really, oh god.
The frames.
Yeah, the frames are just everywhere and nowhere at the same time.
Framiness is real.
Oh, I don't know if you've, what the fuck blew up in here? I don't know if you've seen it on YouTube, but there are commercials going around for like the newest horror movie called The Bye Bye Man. And I took one look at the title, and I'm like,
Who named this? A child?
I was about to say, like, that literally looks like the name that a 6-year-old thought of.
It's the Bye-Bye Man.
I can't tell how close I can get to these fuckers. Just sit here real quick, waiting for them to goose step their way on back.
Too bad you didn't have Visibombs.
Point. However, the button's right there, so there's no way they'll actually get past me. I say that, and they're gonna get past me.
Mm-hmm.
And it's time to fuck their day up. Oh shit, one hit left. Good thing there's health right here. They did space their health out decently.
This is true.
Oh my god. Alright.
He's just staring at you.
No, he's not. His back is turned.
Oh.
Okay, so as soon as those close, but those guys might see me out of the corner of their eyes, quote unquote. No! Oh my god. Fuck it, I'm cutting this time.
We'll see you in a bit, guys.
That was some fucking straight up goddamn motherfucking bullshit.
I would have to agree. Some crumbled Doritos?
No. Surprise, motherfucker.
Hi, fellas.
Yeah, so that's like the newest horror movie going around on YouTube.
Yeah, I heard the name and it looks fucking like I haven't watched it, but the name is fucking stupid.
It's the you know how like in every horror movie they like flash pictures of like the big bad.
Mm-hmm.
So like this time like all it was just like some like dark skinned entity with like black going down its eyes like it was crying blood or something. I'm just like It's like, don't think it, like, it's the whole, like, you know, Freddy Krueger thing, like, if you don't think about him, he has no memory, or some shit like that. It just looks so stupid. Yeah, I'm gonna kill these, oh, see, they did fucking see me.
Did he hit you?
Yeah. See, it's red. You have to walk back a bit for... There we are. The dehydrated.
You just knocked them off.
Yeah, see, it's not like I could actually see, like, what I was flying towards. Oh, wait. Oh, my God. These guys don't even have a button. They just fired at me. Hello, welcome back, everyone. Sorry about that.
He made it. We're good.
It was bullshit.
It was. I will agree.
Loads of just flaming Taurus crap. Let's see. Alright, there's a hidden area over there.
Ooh, hidden area.
Oh, yeah, so the help desk girl, she gave us what's called the Map-O-Matic, which shows hidden areas. Which I come to realize I didn't really, like, explain that.
Yeah, I had no idea what it did.
Yeah.
I always assumed you had a map.
Look at these cheeky bastards. Right here, there's health.
Hi, John.
Fuck you, Bill.
So you kind of knocked him towards the button.
Well, yeah, but it stuns him, so, you know, he can't do anything while he's stunned. Ooh. Alright, cool. And, we're back. Oh, son.
Mom?
Yeah.
Aww.
This is so shoehorned in. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, that's cute.
Like, here's your slice of contrivance pie.
A sister.
Hey, look, a sister.
My fellow Blah, our synthetic world is now fully functional.
And here he's like, well, the world's pretty much complete. It only took an entire galaxy to build.
This pathetic lump.
And, unfortunately, there's, this eyesore of a planet called Veldin, so, we're gonna blow it the fuck up.
But no more.
We're gonna Death Star this thing right up.
The deep planet.
I mean, kind of.
The most powerful laser
Yep, a little bit.
ever created.
That right there, that's the final battle arena.
Nice.
You fight Drek while on that thing.
I can't wait.
And what you have to do is, like, those things that, like, I use the jetpack for, where I go up and then do the butt slam.
Yeah.
I have to do that within so many seconds. While he's firing at me. And shooting at me.
All right.
Oh, Ratchet's pissed.
Oh, yeah. He is, like, also, his eyes are, like, super fucking, like, bugged out.
Taking me this long to see it. Drek is going to find out what happened.
And he's like, it shouldn't take me as long as it has to see your point.
This is the Ratchet I
What the fuck were you so blinded about?
Okay. If we're gonna do this,
Ratchet
we need
doesn't
get
seem
on
to be the
Drek's
brightest.
ship. And then we can find out where he sells that laser.
I think it's the whole, like, you know, introduction to a character. They, like, don't quite know what direction. He's, like, the edgy cool guy who doesn't care, but...
Aww.
Who doesn't care, but kind of does care now that, you know, Drek is here. Or, wait, what? Is there a room back here? Wait. So that goes out. Aha! There we go. And gold bolt.
Nice.
Alright, I think we'll head over to Veldin and call that a video.
Alrighty.
And so between videos, what I'm going to do, everyone, is I'm going to go ahead and grind up to 30,000 so I can get my last bit of health. And then, you know, we'll go ahead and meet you over on Veldin once we get that. 27,666. Oh dear. This can't end well. So thank you everyone so much for watching, and we will see you sometime later.